Hi. The markets have had a stellar run in 2021. To put things in perspective, Nifty is up 25%, the mid-cap index is up by nearly 40%, and the small-cap index is up by close to about 62%. It's natural to be apprehensive in terms of how the markets are looking like as we move into the new year, which is 2022. It's important that we try and appreciate that markets are forward-looking and therefore they are likely to discount how the economy is going to look like. Our view on the economy is very, very constructive. One, we are fairly bullish on the outlook of interest rates, in a sense that we expect rates to remain lower for longer. Critically though, the most critical differentiator for the economy over the next several years will be the evolution of the capex cycle. There are three levers to capex. You've got residential real estate, you've got private corporate capex, and you've got government spending. After a long time, we'll have all the three cycles moving completely in sync. To put things in perspective, we are extremely bullish on the outlook of the corporate capex cycle. So now the question is that, what are the sectors that we want to be bullish on as we move into 2022? Needless to say, financials, which account for close to about 40%, 35% of the Nifty, is the place to be in. Within financials, we like the insurance space. Within insurance, we like the health insurance. Within banks, we like the top tier private sector banks as well as some of the larger cap PSU banks. We obviously have to look at the proxy for the capex cycle as well, whether it's infrastructure companies, the EPC companies, the PLI-induced companies which benefit in terms of consumer durables, textiles, export-oriented sectors are what we like as well. Critically, the biggest difference this time around is that despite the fact that valuations appear rich, we believe the earnings trajectory of the markets will hold on very well. Probably after a gap of nearly 8 or 9 years, we are seeing that the downgrade cycle has stopped. In 2021 as well as in 2022, we expect the upgrades to earnings will continue. And therefore, there is no point of trying to anchor valuations to what we have seen to historical levels. If we simply look at the valuation in absolute levels at about 20 times forward, they would be slightly above the historical averages. But given the fact that the earnings trajectory is far superior than what you have seen in the past, we believe the markets will hold up well. While obviously this is a 20,000 feet view in terms of how the economy is going to do, how the markets are going to do, what we need to appreciate that a lot of the hard work has to be put in terms of identifying the right kind of companies with the right kind of competitive moat, which allows us to invest for the longer term. Thank you.